Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am here to show you the good deal red snapper that I got. Frozen guys. I am so shocked. This fish is nice. This fish is amazing, guys. Remember I do a live video about it and I wasn't sure because of the price, guys. This fish is fresh. Okay, when I cook it, it is fresh. It is wild caught. It says in the box that I was so excited about it because that's what I was worried that it is not farm raised, and it's not, because the way it tastes, guys, it's nice. So if you live somewhere in Georgia, you can go and check them out because it is very, very nice. I really got a very good deal on this fish, so I'm so happy and excited about it. So after I'm done eating, I'm going back to buy more, guys. So today we are going to fry this fish. So first, guys, I washed the fish already. So now I have a bowl filled with a lot of water. I am going to season it like in the authentic way, Ghanaian style. So I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Okay, and also I have my white vinegar. Yeah, so you can add just a little bit of vinegar in your salt, just to take away the scent of the fish, because the fish is fresh, so it has a little smell. The vinegar is gonna help it, and also if you have any kind of like bacteria or whatever is in it from the sea, it will take it away as well. So that is very, very important. Alright, so after you mix it, put it aside, and it is time to cut this fish, guys. I don't have a very, very sharp knife, okay, so I am going to do it in my way. So first I am going to leave the fins and everything on, and I am going to cut it and fry the way it is. I am just going to cut the tail because the tail is easy to cut off. Okay, so don't worry about it if you don't have a knife sharp. This fish is nice. I am happy it's fresh, but don't worry about it if you don't have a sharp knife. Just cut it into pieces, cut the way you feel comfortable. Fry it. When you fry it, it is easy. When it's crispy, it is easy to pull it out. Okay, to pull all this, you can pull it out. Okay, or the fence can pull it out. So that is how it is. And like I said, I can cut the tail off, but the rest I'm just gonna leave it until it is fried, and then I will work from it. So right now I'm just cutting my fish. This fish, guys, is beautiful. It is fresh. Just a fresh, and I was even shocked, because let me say, yeah, oh, I got a bad deal because it's a lot of red snapper, and I wasn't sure about it. But guys, I'm happy because come on, I'm in here, Joka, who's what cleaning the camera. It's all you have to do is just cut it, and then ready to go. So as you can see, guys, my knife is not sharp at all. Probably I need to buy another knife, guys. Seriously. Yeah, so guys, if you have a good knife, just go ahead and finish it, okay? But trust me, after I'm done, you will see. So now I am going to soak my fish in the water for about 10 minutes. Yeah, the reason why I'm soaking in the water because I want to get like this fish smell out, remember? Yeah, that is very, very, very important. And also when you soak it in the water, then you get the better taste of the salt, okay? Because you want to cook fish, you want to taste your fish. That is how it is. So make sure you set it aside, okay, guys? And after that, you can drain your water out, and then it's ready to go. So in a clean pot or in a clean frying pan, I've already added my oil. It's nice and hot, so I'm going to start with the head, okay? Guys, remember I told you I did not cut the fins out, okay, because I want to finish it, and then when it's crispy, then it is good to pull it out. It will be easy for me. That is my opinion. If you have a better way, you can go ahead and do it, but this is how I do mine. So now I just fry it, step by step, and you'll be good to go. Yeah, you say fish dear. What cheer? Come everybody know how to fry fish. So this is not a big deal, but this is how I fry my fish and how I like my fish fried. Okay, guys. Yeah. Sa fish we any barachi ebekutu. Onya barachi bia. If you have a yam, you can eat with fried yam because the way it's looking now. If you also smell fish in kwa. Well, only chance of fish there be hey, fish there, it have a very strong smell. A fresh fish, what do you expect? And you get a strong smell. Yeah. So guys, just go ahead and fry your fish. So as you can see, I've already finished the first part and I added the second batch. Okay, so this is what I am doing. Nothing has changed. It's just that I have to fry it. Or to tell how it's done, you're gonna see it's gonna change the color. It's gonna be a little crispy outside and a little soft in the inside. Okay, doesn't mean that it's not cooked, it's cooked. Right now I'm cooking this in the low medium heat. Okay, make sure you don't cook it fast. In the low medium heat, it's gonna make sure you cook it gently and perfectly. So when you get your fish, it is crispy outside, moist inside, because you don't want to fry your fish and get a dry fish. Oh la la, my fish is finally done, guys. As you can see, this is how I fried my fish. Like I told you guys before, now it is the time to pull the fins out. You see how easy it came out? This is how I like mine. See guys, it came out just easily, but if I was carrying the fresh, it would be very, very hard for me to pull that out. Okay, so this is how I always do my fish. Like if I fry a big fish, this is the way I do it. See, looking very, very nice. It's ready to go and it's about to go down, guys. But this is how I fried my fish. I hope you enjoyed this video. I got a very, very good deal with this fish. It is wild caught. I'm so excited. When this fish is all gone, I am going back there and buy more because this is a very, very, very good deal for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. For those who are new, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You mean a lot to me and I love you guys so much. So if you have more questions, feel free and leave it in the comments below. I know I have a bunch of questions that I've not answered yet, but feel free and leave me a comment below. I will reply you as soon as possible. Stay tuned and have a blessed day. Bye bye guys. Enjoy. With this we can eat with, remember, rice, banku, whatever you have. Benjamin Shra.